Today we are going to revise our chapter Parts of Computer. So after watching this video, you will be able to solve today's assignments. So let's learn. First of all, let's see the places where we use the computer. So nowadays there are many places where we are using the computers. So let's recognize them, like office, hospitals, for designing purpose, in banks, for making this cartoon or animated movies, in airport, for defense purposes, and at the Space Research Center. So except that places, we are also using the computer at your homes and in your schools also, right? So now we are going to learn about the various functions of computer. So what a computer do is, it takes the input, process that data or information, and after that it is going to display the result as a output. So now we are going to learn about the various parts of computer. So first of all, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that is used to give data to the computer in the form of text. So next is mouse. Whenever we have to draw the images, fill colors in it, then we are going to use the mouse. So it is also an input device. The next one is monitor. Monitor exactly looks like our television screens. It is an output device. It shows us all the works we are doing in our computer. It is also known as VDU. So as we have learned, there are three types of monitors: LCD, LED and CRT. The fourth part is CPU. It is Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of computer. All the processing is done by the CPU. So there are four main parts of computer, that are keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. So now let's see what are the various advantages of computer. So first of all, it's speed. Computer works very fast. It can do many calculations very quickly. The next is reliability. That means it is reliable and it does not make mistakes. Next is storage. It can store a large amount of data. Versatile, because it can perform various tasks. Accuracy, it always gives the correct result. Not like human beings, it never makes mistakes. Diligence, that means it can work for long hours without even getting tired. Multitasking. Multitasking means many tasks can be done at the same time, as we can listen to the songs and on the same times we can draw images also in MS Paint. So with these advantages, we are also having few disadvantages. First is zero IQ. That computer can't think on its own. It does not have its own intelligence. So it depends upon human being for that. Next is health. Working on a computer for longer hours can affect your eyes. Then next is electricity. Computer depends upon electricity because it needs electricity to work. It is costly. Of course, computers are very costly. So that is why these are the four disadvantages of the computers. So now let's do few blanks. Let's see how much you have learned about this chapter. So my first question is, a computer works with dash and dash. You may also use the hints. So what are the two things that by using that computer works? Yes, it's data and instructions. Very good. So next is, a computer can dash a large amount of information. Yes, what will be the answer? Store. Computer can store a large amount of data. Okay. Then third question. A dash displays all the work that we do on a computer. Who display the work done by us? Monitor, who looks like a television screen. Okay, as we can see all the work on the monitor. So this answer will be monitor. Next question. A dash is used to point, select or move any object on the screen. How we can point something like I am doing right now? Yes, it can be done using mouse. Okay, then next question. A dash does all the calculation and display the result on the monitor. Who does all the processing? It is the brain of computer. And who is the brain of computer? CPU. Very good. Next, a monitor is also known as, we had learned this, monitor is also known as VDU, means Visual Display Unit. Well done. So let's proceed further. Now we have few true false. First is, a computer has an IQ. Is it? No, computer does not have any IQ. This is the disadvantages. Because computer having zero IQ. So this statement is false. Okay. Next. The output printed on a paper is known as soft copy. When we print something through the printer, does it known as soft copy? No, it is known as hard copy. That is why this statement is also false. Next, computer has 4 main parts. Yes, and what are that main parts? These are keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor. So this statement is true. Next question. MU stands for memory unit. Yes, MU stands for memory unit. So this statement is true. A CPU is made up of AU and LU. No, CPU is made up of ALU, CU and MU. So this is false. Next, a monitor is also known as VDV. No, it is known as VDU, not VDV. So this is false. Next, now we are going to match these uses with the devices. So tell me quickly. I give output on a paper. Who gives us output on the paper? Yes, it's printer. Next, whatever you type and draw can be seen on me. Where we can see our data? It is on the monitor. Yes. Next, I am not afraid of cat. Sit on a mat. Have a long tail. Can send email. So, what is the answer of this? Mouse. Yes, all these things like sending emails, drawing pictures can be done through mouse. Okay. I am a part of CPU and do arithmetic calculations. Who do all the arithmetic calculation? It is ALU. Next, I am the boss and control all the activities of computer. Who control all the activities of computer? It's CU. Very good. So next, I have few questions on the application based. Okay, Mary is reading a soft copy of a letter. Which part of computer is she using? Like you are typing something on your computer. So where you can see what you are typing? It can be seen on the monitor. Very good. Next, Supriya wants to do painting on the computer. Which computer device will you suggest her to make a color beautiful drawing. So we can we draw an image using keyboard? Can we fill colors using keyboard properly? No. So we need mouse for that. Okay, next question. Saurabh's mother has asked him to take out 50 copies of birthday invitation letter. Which device should he use to get a hard copy? From where he can get the printout of all these invitations? Yes, it can be taken through printer. Next, we have multiple choice questions. Okay, dash can be words, numbers, pictures or sounds. What can be? Can it be processing? No, we can only process the data in the processing. What is meaningful information? It is the output. So what will be the correct answer? Data. Very good. Next, a computer displays dash after processing the data. Okay, so input is we are taking from the user. So it can't be displayed after processing, and process is doing what we are doing. So what will be the answer? It will be output. Next, a dash controls all the parts of computer. Who controls all the part of computer? It is CU, control unit. Next, the monitor consumes least power. Which monitor consumes least power? CRT is consuming maximum power. After that, LCD. So the least power consumed by LED. Very good. Now we will learn few full forms. So first of all, IPO. Input, process, output. Repeat it. Input, process, output. Next, CU. CU stands for control unit. Repeat. CU, control unit. CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Repeat it. Central processing unit. ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Repeat this. Arithmetic logic unit. Very good. Next is VDU, which is the another name of monitor. So VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Yes, Visual Display Unit. Next is MU. MU stands for Memory Unit. It is a part of CPU. And here we can store our data. So MU stands for Memory Unit. IQ. IQ stands for Intelligence Quotient. Repeat this. IQ stands for Intelligence Quotient. Next is LCD. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. Repeat this. Liquid Crystal Display. Very good. Now let's discuss few questions. What is computer? Computer is a machine that works on IPO cycle. It means it takes the input, processes it and gives us output. Next, how do you enter the data and instructions to your computer? We can enter the data or instructions to our computer using the input devices like keyboard and mouse. What do we call the information that you enter into the computer? This is known as input. Which part of computer shows the output? Output can be seen on monitor. Yes, so this answer will be monitor. Name the device that is known as brain of computer. CPU. Yes, CPU is known as brain of computer. List some features of computer. So, which are the features of computer? That are speed, accuracy, multitasking and so on. So mention the disadvantages of computer. The disadvantages of computers are like zero IQ, high cost, and it also needs electricity. So these are the various disadvantages of computer. So I hope you all understand this chapter. Now let's solve the assignment.